Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to mix protein powder without lumps. First, gather your tools. A shaker bottle with a whisk ball or a blender is ideal. Next, measure your liquid. For 1 scoop of protein powder, about 8 to 12 ounces of liquid works well. Using cold liquid like water or milk is a great trick to help prevent those pesky clumps from forming. This simple preparation sets you up for a perfectly smooth drink every time. Now, let's talk about the order of ingredients. Always pour your liquid into the shaker bottle or blender first. This creates a base that helps the powder dissolve more easily. Then, carefully add 1 scoop of your protein powder directly on top of the liquid. This simple step is crucial because adding the powder first often leads to it sticking to the bottom, making it much harder to mix smoothly. Once your ingredients are in, it's time to mix. If you're using a shaker bottle, make sure the lid is secured tightly to prevent any spills. Then, shake vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds. This ensures the whisk ball can break up all the powder. For blenders, start on a low setting and blend for 15 to 20 seconds. This gentle approach helps integrate the powder without creating too much foam. You're almost there. Before taking a sip, quickly check your shake for any remaining lumps. If you spot any, simply give it another quick shake for 10 to 15 seconds, or blend for 5 to 10 more seconds. Your goal is a perfectly smooth, lump-free consistency. Enjoy your freshly mixed protein shake immediately for the best taste and texture. Cheers to a smooth and delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.